Good morning, honorable present here. Myself, Dr.P.Janagarathinam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I have joined in the year of 2015. Last 10 years, 4 months, I have seen a number of implementation in our institutions. Today, I am going to tell the story regarding how our SNS institution implementing many things and how we are transformed into the new challenging teaching environment. So a journey begins 10 years ago. I walked into the SNS institution and joined as a young assistant professor full of dreams, ideas, and curiosity. Over the years, I have witnessed how the SNS institutions are transformed through the SNS Roadmap, a vision of design thinking and innovation. We are implementing the design thinking based curriculum and DT based project, and everything we have to implemented the DT based teachings. So the story reflects my understanding and experiences with the roadmap in our classroom and beyond our SNS premises, how we are implementing all these things. So today we are going to discuss about all these things like what are the challenges I have to face and common man and business and design thinking, how we are implementing the design thinking means human centered innovations and 3P cultures. We are following the purpose and process and people. What are the purpose of making the things and what is the process we have to follow and how we have to reach the particular peoples. And a 3C framework recently we have to implement it. So which is fully focused on the attitude, logic and technicals. And 5 pillar based activities we have to practice like as we have to do all the activities under these 5 pillar activities. So first one is for CLT and second one is for CFC and third one is for SCD and fourth one is for IIPC and fifth one is for SRI. So and spine activities. So we are having the separately the spine block. Here the students they can groom their activities like they can swim, they can do the gym, and they can do the dance. So we have to separately we are having all these portions and we have to groom the our students activities and students extracurricular activities. And the what are the growth and innovations means we have to follow the innovation of 7+7 thrust area we have to use. And we have to do all the project which is related to that innovations of 7+7 thrust areas. And all the projects and all the works are which is related to the Gen AI establishment. Here we are using the Gen AI tools like either we have to use the IoTs or Python or advanced Gen AI tools are incorporated to the projects. Then only the students are able to do their projects in a very good manner. And next one is for certified talents. Here we have to certify the students and these are all of the different growths and innovations. And the next excellence and creations of both the faculty and students members are doing their OKR goals, smart OKR goals every month. So in that goal, we have to do all the work which is groomed our faculty means groomed our resume and groom our talents. And students means also they have to improve their biodata. They can do the works with their based on this 5 pillar and the excellence. And our ultimate aim is to make the 1,000 AI startups. And growth mindset means we have to do, we have to build a entrepreneurial mindset of our students through the design thinking framework. So today these are all the roadmap I am going to telling about the small story. So, understanding of SNS roadmap. The SNS roadmap connects every student's faculty and initiative under a single philosophy: design thinking, innovation, and holistic growth. And align 5 key pillars of first CLT means academic excellence. Then second one is for CF SCD. SCD means innovation and creativity. So and third one is for CFC which is fully focused on the research and development. And fourth one is for IIPC, Institute Industry and Institute Partnership Shell. Here fully focused on the industry collaborations and how we are linking our projects into the industry. And last one is SRI, how we are useful to the society and how our projects or other activities which is um, fully helpful to the students. So these pillars guide both teaching and lifelong learning to the students, and we have to enhance the student strength and extracurricular activities, all these things based on their five pillar. So five pillar based the smart OKR they have to complete it every month, so automatically they can enhance their lead code skills. They can easily participate the hackathon, and they can easily do the connections of HRs and other alumni peoples through LinkedIn, and they have to enhance their writing skill based on their LinkedIn article post, and they can do and they can implement their communication skills for taking the outside DT bootcamp to the external members like their previous institutions like Polytechnic or school events. So based on these five pillar and smart OKR, our students skill will enhanced. So design thinking teaching with a purpose. The design thinking approach start with empathy. We are having five stages. Empathize. Empathize means we have to collect the feedback from the customers or employers, from anybody's. So based on their empathize part, we have to define particular problem. So after defining our problem, we can solve that particular problems by using n number of ideas. So first we have to develop the ideate part. From that 10 number of ideas, we have to select any one suitable ideas to solving that particular problem. After that, we have to do the designing and all, making the small prototype model. What is the purpose of making prototype model means for the purpose of test cycle. And after that, we have to do the create meaningful learning experience. This is the overall design thinking framework. In our subject curriculum also we are implementing this kind of design thinking work. So instead of giving answers, I guide the students to think, question, and design their own solutions, making learning alive with impactful. So I am only teaching the concept. The students they can develop all these new projects, they can do some modifications in the previous existing project by applying these kind of design thinking concepts. The next one is for innovations in actions. Over these 10.4 years, I have seen SNS become a hub of innovations. From hackathons, mini projects to research and startups, the spirit of innovations connects us all. Can connect all the students as well as the faculties. In our SNS institutions, they can encourage the faculty to publish their paper in the Web of Science and Scopus and different reputed journals, as well as our faculty also publishing their original ideas into the patents like either design patent or product patent. And faculty continuously innovate in pedagogies using technologies and real world problems to make learning meaningful. We are following the DT based structure in our classroom delivery itself. They can do recap summary activities, so students are actively participate our classes. And innovation here means innovative design thinking and everything we can do. So the human touch, SNS believes in nurturing not only the professional skills but also the human values. We have to give the most priority to the human values. Through social outreach and community engagement, students grow as compensative individuals. We have to focus on the individual growth of every student. And education here is about creating better humans, not just better professionals. So my reflection and visions forward, my 10.4 years journey has been a process of continuous design and growth. The SNS roadmap inspires me to innovate, inspire, and keep learning every day. Every classroom is a design lab. Every student is a creator, and every teacher is a mentor of change. We are meticulously following the mentor and mentee systems. We are closely monitoring every students and We have to give the better solution for any kind of problems our students faced inside our campus. And education not is about information, it's about the transformation. Our students are transforming the good people, good human, and they have to achieve the highest placement or otherwise entrepreneur or otherwise their case studies. I am really very much happy to working as an assistant professor of SNS College of Technology. So everyone are liking our SNS institutions and SNS cultures and SNS roadmap. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to telling this story based on our SNS institution roadmap and vision and mission. Thank you.